Have you ever pondered the untapped potential of the human brain? Imagine harnessing just an additional 10% of its power. What could that mean for you in your career, your personal life, or even your overall satisfaction with life? Today, we're venturing into the realm of cognitive enhancement, exploring a simple yet effective strategy to leverage that elusive extra 10% of our cerebral capabilities. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that the commonly held belief that we only use 10% of our brain is a myth. In reality, almost every part of the brain has a known function. However, the concept refers to the idea that most of us are not maximizing our brain's potential. So how can we tap into that extra 10%? Step 1. Feed your brain. Like any machine, the brain needs fuel to function at its best. This means a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other brain-boosting nutrients. Don't forget hydration. Water is key to maintaining optimal brain performance. Step 2. Exercise your mind. The brain, like any muscle, needs regular workouts to stay in top shape. This could be anything from solving puzzles, learning a new language, or even playing a musical instrument. The goal is to keep your mind active and engaged. Step 3. Get ample sleep. Sleep is not just a rest period for your body, it's also when your brain processes and consolidates information. Ensuring you get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night can dramatically improve cognitive function and memory. Step 4. Manage stress. High stress levels can impede brain function and even cause long-term damage. Incorporating stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine can significantly enhance your brain's performance. Step 5. Never stop learning. The brain is a learning machine. The more you use it to learn, the better it gets at learning. So, make a habit of constantly seeking out new knowledge and experiences. To summarize, unlocking an extra 10% of your brain's potential is not about accessing unused parts of the brain, but rather about maximizing the performance of the parts we do use. This can be achieved through a healthy diet, regular mental exercise, ample sleep, stress management, and lifelong learning. So, the next time you find yourself wishing for more brain power, remember, the key to unlocking that extra 10% is already in your hands. It's not about finding new resources, but about better utilizing the ones you already have. It's a journey of self-improvement and personal growth, and every step you take brings you one step closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Harness this newfound knowledge and see how unlocking that additional 10% can revolutionize not just your professional life, but your personal one as well. The brain is an incredible tool, and learning to use it to its fullest potential is one of the most rewarding journeys you can embark on. Remember, the only limit to your potential is the one you set for yourself.